Let's get back to all things Elon Musk and Tesla. Elon Musk selling more shares in that company. Filings revealed that Musk offloaded about $930 million worth of Tesla yesterday. That adds to the $6.9 billion he already sold last week. Joining us now is Bloomberg Daybreak anchor Danny Berger. Danny, how close then is Musk to selling that 10% that he promised in that Twitter poll?
He definitely has a long way to go. So in total, he needs to sell about 17 million shares. He's sold about 7.3 million so far, so it's more than half he has left to go if he indeed is going to get up to 10%. A lot has been made of that, about the timing of the poll. Had he already planned to sell some of these? It does appear that this sale, which he did through exercising options and then selling those shares, he had prearranged some of this. He talked about it back in September, saying he had a big bulk of options that were expiring. He wanted to exercise them. There were taxes he needed to pay. So it does appear that this sale is part of that. We've seen Tesla shares fall about 17% since the selling started at the start of last week. This is what the aftermarket looked like for Tesla. This doesn't include the most recent sale because that happened when post-market trading had already closed. Of course, pre-market opens up in about 10 minutes or so, so we should get a new read on Tesla.
Danny, a new legal complaint was also filed against Tesla yesterday, and this is JPMorgan suing Tesla over unpaid warrants. What exactly is the dispute? Because the amount is quite minimal.
Yeah, it is really minimal, and I think that's important to remember. $162 million here. For a trillion-dollar company and a mega bank, it's a trivial amount. So this is potentially a relationship that's becoming fraught over what is a small amount. And in some ways, it's this tweet from Elon Musk, this infamous tweet, coming back to bite him, the funding secured, taking Tesla private. At the time, there were warrants that JPMorgan had issued to Tesla that if Tesla closed above a certain strike price, then Tesla would owe JPMorgan money. But Elon Musk tweets this, and JPMorgan says, okay, this constitutes a significant corporate event. Therefore, we can lower that strike price. In other words, it makes it more likely that Tesla will have to pay them. Tesla took issue with this, saying that this wasn't a valid thing for them to do. JPMorgan, for their part, they issue in their complaint filed yesterday with the Manhattan Federal District Court, saying that not only were they appropriate and contractually required to do this, but Tesla shares would have closed above not just the new strike price, but the original one as well. So a very testy complaint, something we haven't heard yet from Tesla what their response to. But again, Francine, that's very important what you're emphasizing there. This is a small amount of money and potentially burning a bridge between the two.